Recollection and remembrance cross paths with inspiration, and a nod to the past foretells what's to come. The all-new Mercedes-AMG SL, the quintessential open-top luxury sports car reimagined.
Hey, let's go for a drive. There's something I want to find.
Living in the moment, the all-new SL delivers effortless performance, state-of-the-art luxury, and pulse-pounding excitement. An SL unlike any other, setting a new standard of excellence for Mercedes-AMG. A classic, born from motorsports, more athletic and intelligent, more expressive by design than any SL that has come before it. For the first time in its 70-year history, the SL is built entirely by Mercedes-AMG, celebrated for championship-winning racing cars and dynamic road machines. With a handcrafted 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, the new SL sounds as epic as it performs. A weight-saving soft top returns. Opening the roof takes only 15 seconds at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. In cooler weather, you can still enjoy the wind in your hair, while the heated steering wheel, front seats, and the Mercedes-Benz exclusive air scarf keep you warm. And as the first SL with AMG Performance 4matic Plus all-wheel drive, acceleration is breathtaking on dry pavement, and traction is improved in challenging conditions. Every launch is an occasion. The transmission's wet start-off clutch puts power down smoothly. The SL embraces the cutting edge, with performance advancements that tailor the driving experience to the moment. An active rear spoiler optimizes handling or reduces aerodynamic drag. And with AMG Dynamic Select drive modes, the SL's ride is widely customizable. The SL typifies usable luxury, with multi-contour seats that are snug and supportive, and with heated and cooled massage functions, they'll keep you relaxed and refreshed. Space is never at a premium, with rear seating and a trunk large enough for the treasures you'll find along your journey. Even with the ultimate in performance and comfort, safety is never a compromise. The new SL gets the latest in advanced driver assistance, including active lane keeping, active parking, and blind spot monitoring. And with 360-degree view, nothing around goes unnoticed. The new SL's ultra-modern exterior design makes it an icon for a new era.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, I see you have one yourself.
With a more aerodynamic body style, combined with traditional design cues, the SL pays tribute to classic SL proportions. SL tradition carries on with the interior design, a combination of classic minimalism and modern touches that can only be described as hyper-analog.
Yeah, so where are you guys going? Where are you from?
With exquisite materials, precise workmanship, and details inspired by aviation, the new SL redefines what a modern luxury cockpit can be and how it can make you feel.
Around here somewhere. Do you know where that is?
Yeah, exactly. It's just about 2 miles down the road there. Look for the yellow post.
All right, let's get going. I'm driving.
No matter whose turn it is to drive, the SL recognizes unique biometrics and reacts to a touch or a command, tailoring its functions to the driver's favorite settings. With standard active rear axle steering, the SL combines two elements usually at odds: agility and stability. Now, with the SL, you have both. The MBUX zero-layer interface adapts to your life, anticipating what you need and when you'll need it, in a style that's both intuitive and predictive. An augmented reality function uses the exterior cameras and navigation to display your next turn in the center display. Inside, active ambient lighting stimulates a driver's visual senses. Form, provide feedback, or just set a mood. And with a wide variety of customizations, from seatbelt color to paint colors, you can make the SL your own personal icon. With unsurpassed performance, luxury, and comfort, every drive in a Mercedes-AMG SL is an adventure, and every day brings a new quest.
Do you think this is it?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
What is this place?
As timeless as it is symbolic, each new SL is more than a reboot. It's a factory reset. The all-new Mercedes-AMG SL, a true icon with a legacy that continues on. For the driver who respects the past, but is ready for the future.